Hello again everyone, I am Midshipman Christian O. Aguilar, first year base MT from the section G2A, and I will memorize the rule 26 of call rakes. So rule 26, fishing vessel. A vessel engaged in fishing whether underway or at anchor shall exhibit only the lights and the ships prescribed in this rule. B. A vessel engaged in crawling, by which it is meant the dragging through the water of the dredge net or other apparatus used as a shipping appliance, shall exhibit two all-round slides in a vertical line, the upper being green and the lower white, or a shape consisting of two cones with their apexes together in a vertical line, one above the other. A masted lights above of the higher than the all-round green lights. A vessel of less than 50 meters in length shall not be obligated to exhibit such a light, but may do so when making a way through the water. In addition to the lights prescribed in this paragraph, side lights and a stern light. C. A vessel engaged in fishing other than trolling shall exhibit two all-round lights in a vertical line, the upper being red and the lower white, or a ship consisting of two cones with apexes together in a vertical line, one above the other. When there is outlying gear extending more than 150 meters horizontally from the vessel, all around white lights or a cone apex up around in the direction of the gear. When making way through the water, in addition to the lights prescribed in this paragraph, side light and a stern light. D. The additional signals prescribed in an Annex 2 to this regulation apply to a vessel engaged in fishing in close proximity to the other vessel engaged in fishing. E. A vessel when not engaged in fishing shall not exhibit the light or shapes prescribed in this rule, but only thus prescribed for a vessel of her length